ever down here in the city of Memphis, and y'all come past 3941 Riverdale, take away the signs, the umbrella, and all of that, and just look at this brown building. You'll think it's just a shack, a hut, a shed, or whatever you want to call it. But come on down, come on around. I'm gonna show y'all what Exploding Flavors is all about. Voila! This is Exploding Flavors. Exploding Flavors, where it all goes down there. We got the fry station, we got the grill, we got our 360 carpet, we got the setup station. Now imagine, with the winning of the grant money, if y'all see what I did with a shed, a shack, a hut, or whatever you want to call it, imagine what I do with a building. Exploding, 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 exploding flavors.